So this is just going to be a very short demo, just demonstrating pushing how many cubes I can have manipulated by Compute Shader. The last video I did maybe around 100, and now I got it up to check about maybe 3,600 until I got down to about 50 frames per second. So I do have collision working between the cubes. It also obviously collides with other objects, so many cubes that I thought I would also stop there because it's getting hard to see the sphere when they get up closer to the front of the camera. The motion is quite a bit more chaotic because I switched from changing the position of each object with the Compute Shader and instead adding a little bit of a force to the direction, so that way the cubes don't overlap each other at all and the collision is working properly. So I'm looking forward to getting this to the point where I could have the transforms and the rigid bodies working together so that I could start creating things like look more like a liquid. It was pretty hypnotic to watch.